Find or read reviews that people are talking about HILEO hi73 open-ear headphones. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Premium audio experience. Thanks to our advanced open-air conduction technology, you'll enjoy superior sound quality with unparalleled clarity and definition. This unique approach immerses you in the music, making every note come alive. Open-ear design. Our open-ear design not only allows you to enjoy your music without missing the world around you, but it also keeps you safer by staying aware of your environment. This design offers the perfect balance between enjoying your music and being aware of your surroundings. Comfort and ergonomics. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, these headphones are not only comfortable but also designed for long hours of wear. They adapt to the shape of your head, providing a secure and comfortable fit, perfect for strenuous activities. Advanced noise cancelling. Block out distractions with our cutting-edge ACS noise-cancelling technology. This technology focuses your attention on the music or calls, enhancing your enjoyment and concentration. Durability and all conditions usability. With an IP5 waterproof rating, these headphones are not only sweat-resistant but also resilient against dust and moisture. They're perfect for a range of activities, whether you're outdoors or indoors running, cycling, hiking, or working out. Plus, with a single charge, they offer up to 8 hours of continuous music playback, so you can enjoy your favorite tracks for hours on end. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.